everyone, welcome back. Today we're working on a very easy paper snake. Tiago's tips. These are the materials that we need. Colorful paper, glue, a pencil, scissors, and googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, that's fine. You could just draw the eyes in. First thing we need to do is folding the paper. Now we have both our sheets folded. Now we need to cut along the lines. Then you get a blue piece and a yellow piece and glue them like this. Now we're going to fold it like this. All you're doing is overlap. If you want to make it longer, just add more strips of paper to the one you already did. There you go, there's your snake. We added the head, the eyes, the red tongue, then the tail. Time to dance! Make sure to click the subscribe button.